Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the remote and phone are ready. You replace weak batteries and power on the TV. Once done, open the YouTube app on the TV device and on your phone. On your phone, tap the cast icon and select the exact device name. This pairs controls immediately. You do this because pairing lets the remote send commands through the TV app. Make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network so discovery works smoothly and pairing completes. Now you navigate and control playback. Press arrow keys to move through menus and hit OK to open videos. For fine control, tap left or right to jump roughly 10 seconds. Press play/pause to stop and resume instantly. Use back to close overlays or go up a menu level, and hold home when you want to return to the YouTube app fast. These controls work because the remote sends standard media commands. Practicing them once makes browsing and watching much faster. To finish, fine-tune settings. Use the remote volume or TV sound menu and enable captions from the player if needed. Sign into YouTube on the TV so your subscriptions and playlists sync with your phone. If you experience lag or unresponsive buttons, immediately check batteries and then restart the router. Next, repair the remote via the cast workflow. This resolves most connectivity issues because it refreshes Wi-Fi discovery and clears temporary app glitches, getting you back to smooth viewing quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.